In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Photos to a hard drive. This process is straightforward and ensures that all your precious memories are securely backed up to an external device. We'll be using Google Takeout, which is Google's official tool for exporting data in bulk, making it an excellent choice for this task. First, let's make sure your external hard drive is connected to your computer. Plug it in and ensure it has enough free space to store all the photos and videos you plan to transfer. This is crucial because running out of space during the transfer could result in incomplete backups. Next, open your web browser and head over to Google Takeout at takeout.google.com. This tool is designed to help you download your data easily. Once you're there, you will see options to export various types of Google data. Now scroll down the list and click on Deselect All because we want to focus only on Google Photos. Continue scrolling until you find Google Photos. Then check the box next to it. If you prefer to select specific albums, click on All Photo Albums Included and make your selections. This step is important because it allows you to customize your export, ensuring you get precisely what you need. After making your selection, click on Next Step. Here you will choose how you'd like to receive your exported data. Select Send Download Link via email. This choice is convenient because it provides a direct link to your data once it's ready. Then choose your preferred file type and size. The zip format is ideal for most users. You can also decide on the file size that suits your needs. For large libraries, many users opt for 10 GB or 50 GB chunks. This choice helps manage the download more effectively. Once you've set these options, click Create Export. Google will begin preparing your data for download. This might take a while depending on the size of your library, but don't worry, you'll receive an email from Google with the download link once the export is ready. When you get the email, click on the download link. If your browser lets you pick a download location, save the zip files directly to your external hard drive. This makes the next steps easier and keeps everything organized. With the files now on your hard drive, you'll need to extract them. Open the downloaded zip files and extract their contents to a folder on your external hard drive. This step is straightforward but essential to make sure all your photos are accessible and organized. For those of you who only want to transfer selected photos, open Google Photos in your web browser. Select the photos you want to download. Click on More, represented by 3 vertical dots, then choose Download. Save the resulting zip file to your external hard drive and extract it there. Remember, Google Takeout may create additional JSON metadata files with your photos. These files contain extra information about your photos and can be kept alongside them if you wish. Also, exporting your photos does not remove them from your Google account. If you want to free up space, verify that your backup is complete, then delete the originals from Google Photos separately. For those with very large libraries, Google might split the export into multiple zip files. This is normal and helps manage large amounts of data more efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Google Photos to an external hard drive.